Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 8, and today I'll show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. Now for this process we will need a cable plugged into the computer, so I already have mine plugged in, and from there we're gonna first turn off the device, so let's hold the power key and select power off. There we go, it's connected. And once the device is off, hold power key and volume down at the same time, so both of the keys at the same time. And there we go, we are now in Fastboot mode. So that is how you boot into it. And to leave this mode, all you need to do is hold power key till the phone turns off, which you can also see right here. Volume down and power, actually power is good enough though, so you can see. And now we can just wait for it to boot back up into Android. And there we go, as you can see we're now back on Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.